Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro, head trader at Penny Stocks Club 13. It's Monday, October 5th, 2020, guys, and I hope everybody had a great day today. We had a great start to the week, guys. Swing trades from Friday paid big time. Then the day trades today gave us some more money, guys, and it's awesome, guys. The teamwork, I can't speak highly enough about it. The members in the PSC 13 chat room, they're awesome. A lot of great call outs, and we continue hitting it big on a lot of them, and it's just been awesome, guys. So let's get right to it, guys. But before we do, want to ask you a favor. You know what to do, guys. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, guys. And if you haven't done so, again, sign up for a free newsletter. Our swing trade was on it. Unfortunately, it did not give the entry that we wanted because it gapped up big time pre-market. But nonetheless, it worked, at least for us that we were swinging it. But, there's been a couple of newsletters out there, and both of them have had big winners. So, having said that, guys, time to check up on the $300 challenge, the $300 account challenge, which I have up here on my screen. So, as you can see, I am up 68%, total of $222 from my initial value of $300. I'm up to over $500 already, guys. All thanks to Cbat on the swing trade. I bought it on Friday, held it over the weekend. So from Friday to Monday, just one day. Weekends don't count. And a 21% return, guys. This was my second swing trade. This one I really don't want to talk about it. This was a mistake buy. One of those things where you're hovering your mouse over the buy button and you click it accidentally. Yeah, it happens to me too. So, either way, thankfully it was just a minor position, gave back 4%, so, minor loss. But then we had Cbat, and, this one we're still holding, and we're up 31%, so we still need to lock in those profits. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have a chance pre-market, lock in some profits. And DGLY, I took a starter entry, 55 shares, and I'm down 3%. So we'll see how this one plays out tomorrow. But progress is progress, guys. And, I'm happy the way I'm trading this account. It's already up over 68%. So, hopefully with the bigger, as my account grows, I take slightly bigger positions with slightly bigger returns with the same risk tolerance that I always have for myself with risk management rules that I follow. So, this has worked out because of those rules. And if you want to be able to do this, guys, I recommend you join either my group or any other group out there where you can get the education on the proper rules, how to properly risk or manage your risk every time you trade, because there's more to it than just clicking and clicking and clicking, guys. That's an easy way to just click your money away. So that is it for the $300 account challenge, guys. It's looking good so far, and hopefully we continue to improve on it as we move on. So let's get right to the trades, guys. So we're going to start here with EVLN, Enlv. There we go. All right, I had the wrong stock. So this is what we had on the swing trade from Friday, and you can see the gap up, guys. This is what we're expecting. It gapped up pretty big. I locked in profits pre-market. Let me take you to the pre-market action. So I locked in profits right at 6 o'clock, guys. Right here at my entry at 10:40. Locked in profits a little bit over 16 for 55% return, guys. 55% return, and just a massive return on this one. So we'll continue looking at this one for possible continuation as the week goes on, and a good entry. So ENLV, guys, just rocked it. And this was this one was the one that I put up on the newsletter, and my idea was to enter at 10:50 and for a break over 12, guys. But unfortunately, it didn't give that kind of trade today. But nonetheless, since I was in it since Friday, you know, I locked in profits as soon as I have them. I don't wait to see what the market's gonna do. If I have profits, I just take them, and that's what's helped grow my accounts. Then second swing trade of the day, CBAT, guys. This one, 2 days in a row, Thursday to Friday, gave us this return. Then I bought it again on a swing trade yesterday, and I took profits. I bought it at about 250, I believe, yesterday, and I sold it today at somewhere here, 327, 325. I bought back in at same price at 325. Let me take you to the day's action. So as it was consolidating right above VWAP, I took an entry here. I added at 335. I averaged up to 330. And on my main account, I took profits at 4 for a 20% return. I'm still holding this one on my small account like you saw. So it's still making its way up. So hopefully it can gap up tomorrow, guys, and continue giving us some more money, which we already have, made from CBAT. And you know, it's just been awesome to follow through. This was the second day follow through, and it's got great momentum. So, you know, hopefully we can get a big squeeze tomorrow if it works out. Then my other swing trade, Boxl. Again, I bought it before market close. I sold at 2, and then my final take profit was a 195. So another average of 10% return, guys, on Boxl, 20% return on CBAT, and 55% return on Enlv. My fourth swing trade, guys, was ADMA. It just gave me a little bit back. I entered at 250. And I did take profits here at 265 and then 267 for about a 5 to 6% return. Nothing big, but still something good. And that was ADMA. This one continues to be on watch. If we go to the daily, guys, it's starting to make this little uptrend, so we can start setting some alerts here. There's no reason for us not to be holding this one on watch. But let's just quickly set those alerts and be ready for the break over this candle's high. So ADMA. Then some of the callouts during the day that were profitable was SPI. SPI is one that made a big move, and it was pretty much a bounce play. But let's go to the action during the day so you can see this little slight momentum play. It was called out here. You can see how VWAP was holding support and made a big move to $7.50. That's where profits were taken for about a 17% return, guys. So, you know, we have been hitting big trades, big wins, and it's not only me, it's people in the group, guys, that you know, they have great ideas, and we've been able to take advantage of them. And it's a team effort that's been having us be green throughout the week, throughout the days, and it's been awesome, guys. I'm super excited, and it's just a great experience. What's going on in the chat room. So NAC, I called out today and for a swing trade right when it was below 120, and I'm still holding just an entry level position, just a starter position. It did kind of scare me when it got, you know, kind of knocked down after hours, after close, but it's way back up. And if we go to the daily, you can see why I called it out. It had this 120 level, which it's been in my trade ideas planner on the PSC 13 website for the break over 120. So you know, I have the plan. It's already posted on the website, and I entered my entry level position, and tomorrow if it starts making a move, I'll start adding to it. If not, I'll just cut losses and move on to the next one. So NAK, guys, on watch for tomorrow. Then we also have SLDB. This one is one of the ideas from one of the members in the group. So you can see this one has a previous rejection right about 550, guys, somewhere there. and you can see that little curling action. So hopefully tomorrow we can see some continuation to the $6 level, and if not, we'll cut the losses and look for something else. So that is what we try to trade today. Now let's go on to what I think is or has some great potential for tomorrow, guys. And the next one, XSPA, guys. I'm very disappointed in myself because I saw the setup and it scared me because I was in the wrong time frame and I saw something that just, it made me panic. And it's fine because if I feel that way, that means that I do worry about protecting my account, and I'd rather be or not trade something, because sometimes the best defense is to really just not take a trade. That's the best account protection. But in this case, guys, man, the call was there. I saw the increase in volume. It had news. It had everything. It checked all the boxes. It had the afternoon setup that I love, and I didn't enter the trade. And look at what it did afterwards. So I saw it do this. I told them let's wait for the pullback, and then I didn't enter the trade because I was in the wrong time frame. I saw a setup that I didn't like in the 1 minute time frame. Anyway, so tomorrow I'll be looking into this one for a day trade. XSP. I hope some of the members did get into it because it was a great call out. Anyways, next one that I have on watch is ALNA, guys. ALNA is just a great setup. I think here you can see the great setup here, the little wedgie pattern forming. Let's get our tool here, our drawing tool. You can form that little wedge pattern right there, guys. So if we can break above that 180 level, which is the pattern high, we can see a push to the 2, and you can see that it has that previous rejection there at the 220 level. So it's got room to go all the way up to here. So we'll see how it plays out. ALNA. And then we have OPTT. OPTT, you can see that it had a big day, big candle, strong close. So this one is definitely on watch for the break over 150 to the patterns high over here, guys. So it got room to go. You can see this big candle, so we can expect some kind of candle if the volume is there and the follow through is there. Then we can expect that, but we'll be waiting for it to set up before we enter the trade. So we'll see what happens. The other one is CEI, guys. CEI, you can barely see the chart on this one. That's why I really call this one out. But this is what's going on, right? So you've got this kind of let me get the right tool. You got this kind of ABCD patterns going on, and it kind of repeating itself. So you can see how that could go, right? So that's the reason that we're keeping it on watch for tomorrow and a possible day trade. We'll see what happens. In any case, guys, that is all I have for you. Again, don't forget, if you haven't done so, go to www.psc13.com. Sign up for a free newsletter, guys. You'll get random stuff on there, educational, trade ideas, and much more. It's just going to be random. It's not going to be every day. Like I said, it's going to be periodically, maybe 3 times a week, 4 times, depending on what's going on during the day with with everything that's going on, all the things and that I need to take care of. And don't worry about it. It'll be put up there with great information. And like I said, it's been only a couple of newsletters with trade ideas. Both of them worked out very well, guys. And again, it's completely free. All you need to do is become a site member, completely free of charge. And this is a way to help you guys out in the best way that I can, guys. And that's providing that free information for you. So again, guys, hope everybody had a green day. Hope everybody has a green day tomorrow, and we'll catch you in the next one.